Hello everyone, welcome to online session. Standard 6 Computer Subject. Lesson number 6 and Living a Presentation. A slideshow is an on-screen presentation of information or ideas presented on slide. A slideshow enforces the ideas, comments, solution or suggestion presented in the slide. Adding a special effect to a presentation increases its impact on the audience. Quick view. To make a duplicate copy of the current slide, press Ctrl plus D key combination. Applying the animation effect. The ability to move object and text in all the direction of the slide is called animation. You can animate the text or object in a presentation by applying sound effect or visual effects, including movements. Animation is a very helpful when you wish to focus on important points. It also controls the order of flow of information and help to increase the audience interest. To make specific changes to the movement of the text and object, open a custom animation task pane. Let's know more about to custom animation task pane. A number 0, 1, 2 indicate the animation order. A mouse icon means that the applied effects start with a mouse click. Star symbols indicate the type of effect used in a slide. Applying the animation effect. Open any presentation, open an animation tab and click on the custom animation button. The custom animation task pane appears. Select any object and click on add effect button. A drop-down menu will be appear with the 4 options: entrance, emphasis, exit and motion path. Move the mouse pointer on any option. It will display more options. Select any option and notice the preview on the main working slide. Choose the desired setting or for direction, speed, etc. under the Modify section and observe the preview. Apply other options from the Add Effect button and observe their effects. Click on Play button to preview your slide. Let's know more about to remove an item from the custom animation list. Select the object and click on Remove button on the custom animation pane. More about tips. We can use reorder option to change the order of the different object. Adding a transition. Transitions are used to add visual effect to the slides. Transition effects are the moment you see when one slide changes to another in a slideshow view. You can apply transition effects to all the slides or a single slide also. Follow this step to add the transition effects. Open any presentation. Select the slide. Click on Animation tab. Transition tab. This slide group appear on the top. By default, no transition is applied to each slide. Click on More drop-down arrow to display all the transition effects. Click on any transition effect from the display choice. The current slide will display a preview on the selected effect. Select the desired speed from the transition speed drop-down list. Click on the drop-down arrow of the transition sound and select any sound effect of your choice. Click on mouse click checkbox if you want to advance the slide manually by clicking the mouse. Click on the automatically after checkbox if you want to slide to advance automatically to the next one. You can specify the slide advance timing also. Click on Apply to All button to apply the selected effect on all the slides. Otherwise, those effects will be applied on the current slide only. Know the fact: to use a transition sound effect, select the transition sound drop-down arrow in Animation tab and select any sound choice apply to all. Click on From Beginning button in a slideshow tab to display slide along with a sound. Tip: you can also apply transition effects in Slide Sorter view. Open Animation tab and select the desired slide transition effect. Insert in the sound clips. You can add sound in the form of music or specified effect to give importance to certain point. Music or sound can be added from the file saved on your computer, internet recorded sound, or from some CD-ROM. Adding a sound from a file. Select the slide and click on the Insert tab and select the Sound drop-down arrow in Media Clip group. Choose the sound from File option from the pop-up menu. The Insert Sound dialog box will appear. Select the required sound file and click on Open. Microsoft Office PowerPoint dialog box appears asking how do you want the sound to start in a slideshow. Click on the When Click button. A small icon speaker appears on the slide. Double click on that speaker icon to play the sound. Note the fact: the recorded sound files are assigned the extension .wav. Tip: to continuously play any sound, click on the speaker icon on the slide. The Sound Tools menu open. Select the Loop Until Stop checkbox in the Sound option group on the Option tab. Inserting the video clip. Video clips and liveliness to the presentation. You can add the video clip from any CD and Microsoft Clip Gallery, which contains a wide range of art, sound, video, and related clips. Click on the Insert tab. Click on the Move drop-down list in the Media Clip group. Select Move from File option. The Insert Move dialog box will appear. Select the required clip and click on Open. The slide will be turned back and Microsoft Office PowerPoint dialog box appear, asking how do you want the movie to start in the slideshow. Click on either Automatically or When Click option. Using the action buttons. Using an action button. An action button is a ready-made button for defining the hyperlink, a connection from one slide or file to another, to run a program or to play a sound. PowerPoint provides action button to play movies and sound clip, images or text, etc. Follow this step. Open an existing presentation. Click Insert tab, Shapes. Select the action button from the bottom of the display list. For example, click on the action button End. The mouse pointer will change into plus sign or plus shape. Drag the mouse diagonally and release the mouse button. Action button will be dropped down on the slide and action setting dialog box will be appear. Select the mouse click tab. To create a hyperlink, click on the hyperlink to option and then select the destination, previous slide, next slide, etc. from the drop down list. The last slide option will be displayed automatically in the text box. Select any destination and click on OK. To link a file created in another program in a hyperlink to list, click on Other File option. To play a sound, select the Play Sound checkbox and then select the sound that you want to play. Click on OK. Now press the F5 to view the slideshow. Click on the action button in the slideshow view. The last slide will be displayed. To know more about a hyperlink is a connection from one slide to another presentation or any other file or any website web page. It can be applied on text or objects such as picture, shapes, etc. PowerPoint shortcut keys. Ctrl+M, insert a new slide. F5, start the presentation from the beginning. Shift+F5, start the presentation from the beginning. Ctrl+F1, show or hide a ribbon. Show or hide a ribbon. Plus N, build a new presentation. Shift+Tab to go to the last or previous hyperlink. Shift+F10, display the contents menu. Ctrl+P, change the pointer to pen. Ctrl+E, change the pointer to an eraser. Escape to end the presentation.